Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to configure multiple email accounts in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. Once your Outlook app is open and your primary email has loaded, you'll want to navigate to the top left part of your mobile screen. You'll see the Outlook icon there. Go ahead and tap on it to open your Outlook settings menu. This will cause a left side menu to slide out, giving you access to various account management options. Now, to configure multiple email accounts, look for the plus sign located on the left-hand side menu bar. Tap on it and you'll be prompted with two options for adding an account. You can either add an existing account or create a new account from scratch. For this tutorial, we'll simply use the Add an Account option to show you the process of configuring multiple email accounts on your Outlook app. After tapping on Add an Account, you'll be required to enter the credentials of the account you wish to add. This is where you'll type in your email address and password for the additional account you want to configure. Once you've entered this information, Outlook will automatically verify and add the account to your app. This feature is incredibly useful because it allows you to manage multiple email accounts in a single app without having to constantly switch between different applications. The beauty of this setup is that you can now seamlessly check emails from all your configured accounts in one place. Whether you're managing personal and work emails or juggling multiple business accounts, Outlook makes it easy to stay organized and responsive. You can switch between accounts with just a tap, and all your emails, calendars, and contacts will be accessible from the same interface. And that's it. You've now configured multiple email accounts in Outlook, making your email management much more efficient and streamlined. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.